Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, a lion was resting in the forest when a little mouse ran across his paw. The lion woke up and caught the mouse with his huge paw. "How dare you disturb my rest? I shall eat you," roared the lion. The mouse trembled in fear and pleaded, "O mighty lion, please spare me. If you let me go, I promise to help you someday." The lion laughed at the idea of a tiny mouse helping him but decided to let it go. "You are free to go, little one. But remember your promise." A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. No matter how hard he struggled, he couldn't escape. His roars of frustration echoed through the forest. Hearing the lion's cries, the mouse rushed to the scene. Seeing the lion trapped, the mouse said, "Don't worry, my friend. I will help you." The mouse quickly began gnawing at the ropes of the net with its sharp teeth. Soon, the net was torn apart, and the lion was free. The lion looked at the mouse with gratitude and said, "Thank you, little one. I now understand that even the smallest creature can make a big difference." Moral of the story: kindness is never wasted, and even the smallest can help the mighty.